The need to give, and we know personally what will happen to you if you don't have the certificate. If you don't have the certificate. So why is it important? That's really very important. It promotes respect. So if you have it promotes respect. Why? Because you cannot teach how to respect to others if you don't respect yourself. Then it can build also positive relationships. Then you can boost confidence and it can encourage discipline. Right? So what happens if someone does not observe proper etiquette? What will happen to you if you do not observe proper etiquette? What will happen to you? At makabusan niyo kung ay sa proper etiquette. You flash na lang. That's number one. Yes. And there are times that you can manage the relationships. That makes relationships. There are times also that you will miss opportunities. Say for example, if you are called for an interview, and then especially if you're going to have an interview at about 10 o'clock, you arrive 11 o'clock. Ano mahirap sila dyan? You have really missed out the opportunities. But to be strict though, and that really be don't expect it to one. But if you are going to 10 o'clock, you have to be there before 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, nagkatuloy yung 11 o'clock, what will happen? Hindi ka lang ang pumunod, sa malagay na nagkakasabay, hindi ka lang trabaho, hindi ka mga follow sa small instructions. Okay? Then, social isolation. You can have this one. You can experience the social isolation. Others will not be friends with you because of your improper etiquette. Then you can have a negative reputation. Magbalata lang ay mas close na lang kasi nagawa ko sa mga kasi sa lalaki. You will observe that properly. So observing a proper etiquette is essential for building good balance, forming strong relationships, and achieving success in life. It is a sign of respect for others and oneself, creating a more pleasant and orderly society. Alright, so we have to take your different etiquettes, your different etiquettes. Say for example, at home, are you following a proper etiquette at home? Or you just simply leave it out because you are at home? Okay, sa no? Ang proper etiquette nyo sa malayuan, so you follow sometimes that you can bring it out, no, kung ibang etiquette sa iba. So of course, what is the proper etiquette that you should observe at home? You really have to have this proper etiquette at home so that you can bring it out to others. Do you respect the family members? Do you respect your father? Do you respect your mother? Your auntie, your kuya? Even the small ones, the youngest, do you respect? Do you show respect to them? And of course, why? Kung nakakapos sila. Then you have to give a personal space as well. So you show respect to the members of the family, especially on private matters. Hindi na, kaya magulang ka pag gusto pa lang ako sa cellphone sa isa, hindi pwede na. You have to remember that. Personal property, the cellphone is the personal property of your sister or your brother. Do not open. Kaya kung hindi mo pa isa, pero hindi ng cellphone sa isa. So there's no respect to the personal property of your siblings. Then another one, are you helping the house chores? Nakapugas ka bang ulan? Sa lalay niyo? Are you sweeping the floor? Are you sweeping sa palibot? Sweeping your brows? Okay, you have schedule. Much better, you have a schedule. And be sure to follow the schedule if ever you have schedule at home. Hindi lang po ba yan? Hindi lang po yan sa manghod. Pero siya manghod na kapag hindi gusto. So please show, try to show us that you are responsible. So that they have to that's for the household chores. So please do it without being asked. Or you have to use your own initiative. Ang iba niya, pag mo ng kwarto, tawag ko mga hapon, balita mo sa sikat, wala yun. Kaya nakakuha niyo si nanay niyo si tatay, hindi nagbarabado na ano. Magparabasa mo kasi ito kung wala sa una, pinulaw. Hindi nakararito. Kubuhan ng tatay mo yung nanay mo sa pinulaw. Kaya hindi makaos sa pinulaw. Are you using polite words? Say for example, please and thank you. Do you use that?
Yes, ma'am.
Pero kung kaisa nila hindi ko nakulaan ka, hindi nyo minabusay na. Say thank you and please at all. Pagkuha mo ang dalagan, salamat. Mawali ka nila magpasalamat. Even to your parents, to your father and to your mother. Maski pag-order na siya, you have to say thank you and you have to say please also. Para madala, hindi siya madala kayo na mga questions na. And then if you are at home, please avoid things. No? Please avoid excessive noise during night time. Nagpapakoy na diba, nagpapagpili pa ito, ay pa. Nagtagawag ito sa cellphone mo, kung sikit-sikit pa, yung magtagaw ko. You say, oh. You have to respect others who are sleeping already. Okay, then you have to use your common area, your common areas. Ano mga common areas? The toilet, the dining room, the dining place, things your sala. So if possible, you have to clean those common areas. Kung kaya sa mga silang tao, kung kayo po ang ipasihan, you follow. Ako na kung mahito daw siya, kung you follow, so grabe is dirty.